So last night I went to this awesome event. It was a bunch of Forbes 30 under 30 entrepreneurs who attended the Forbes Summit here in Boston. And yeah, I got to like interact with some of them, and they're like onto some shit, man. And like, especially this morning in yesterday's discussion, we were talking about what do you do when nobody watches your stuff? And I woke up this morning from, attending that event, got home pretty late, and I realized like, yo, C's, you are majoring in minor things, all right? All these little minor issues does not equate to the bigger picture. And it got me thinking like, what else am I paying attention to that is minor? Like views, like small little task. And I realized that I gotta focus on major things, right? Like, what is the bigger goal here? And what am I trying to do with this channel? What am I trying to do with my message? And who am I trying to reach, right? And once I'm in presence of, my audience, like, what is the message that I can deliver that'll get them their results, right? And those are the major things that I need to focus my attention on, as opposed to, like nobody's watching my stuff and just a small little menial task. And then I realized like during the day, time gets away from me. Like I'm having tons of like free time that I'm supposed to be working, but I'm not getting anything done. It's just focusing on little distractors and disruptors here. And I realized like, yo, if I want to see results, especially, in the near future, I gotta like start paying attention to where my time goes. Like I mentioned in a few videos ago, like there are marketers out there that is day trading our attention, right? And I have like these bigger goals, and if I want to accomplish them, I gotta first focus on where my attention is going and start refocusing my attention on said goal, right? So I met with my mastermind group and another individual this week, and I realized that I'm thinking way too small, right? So I'm gonna start journaling more, like writing my goals everywhere I can see, and start, the process of focusing my attention on what truly matters. And yeah, it starts now. It starts today. So after I'm done recording this video, which I am right now, I'm going to go straight to work. I'm going zero dark and getting my work done. Anyways, as I mentioned before, if you want to add to this discussion, hit me up in the comments and let me know what your thoughts are. And yeah, let's build and grow together. All right, let's get to work.